Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these sweet chili chicken wings. So I'm starting out with 1 kg of chicken wings, 1 tablespoon of Old Bay pepper seasoning, half a tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs, half a tablespoon of ginger powder, and 1/3 of a tablespoon of harissa or chili powder. Then I'm using some black pepper to taste, followed by some salt. Use 1 tablespoon of fresh garlic, or you can use dried. And now I'm mixing all of the seasonings together. You can leave this to marinate in the fridge for however long you like, and then make sure you've preheated your oven to 180 degrees before lining the baking tray. So I baked these for an hour, turning them halfway through the cooking time. And now I'm going to start off with the sauce. So if you've already got sweet chili sauce at home, then you don't actually have to make it, but I prefer to make it, so this step is up to you. Add in 2 tablespoons of butter, about half a bell pepper, and 1 Scotch bonnet, and 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger. So now I'm just giving that a good mix on a medium heat, and I do this for about 2 minutes. Then you should have something that looks like this. And now we're going to add in 400 milliliters of water. Add in 1 tablespoon of malt vinegar and 1 tablespoon of Worcester sauce, followed by 1 tablespoon of fresh coriander. Then add in 1 teaspoon of salt and boil, then simmer for about 15 minutes. So now I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of honey. The sauce will begin to thicken, and it will also help to balance out the flavors. Cook this out for another 5 minutes, and then I will show you what to do with the tomato paste. So here is 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and you just want to cook that out for another 2 minutes or so, and then you'll really start to see the sauce thicken. And now you just want to switch off the heat, and the sauce is done. On the side of the chicken wings, I had some potato wedges, so I cut up the potato into wedges. I used about 2. I boiled them for around 15 minutes until they were like almost soft, but not really. And all of the water, and add in 1 heaped tablespoon of corn flour, half a tablespoon of mixed herbs, 1 tablespoon of paprika, a bit of salt, and then give this a good mix. Add this to a non-stick baking tray and drizzle over some olive oil. Cooked for about 45 minutes in total. Make sure that you turn them in between if you are doing them, so that they don't stick to the non-stick baking tray. So once everything's done, you can take your wings out from the oven and give them a brush in that really nice beautiful sauce that we've created. As it cools down, it thickens even more. This is the final outcome. I think it looks absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to leave a comment down below. Also, I will link some similar recipes so that you guys can take a look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!